how to see all your reels history on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see all the reels you have ever created on your Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. And now click on those three lines up there. And click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there. Now scroll down and click on your time on Facebook. Now click on see your time. Now click on see activity log. Scroll down and click on Reels group, community events and Reels. They're gonna show you your group or community activity events plus Reels you have created and more. Click on it and they're gonna show you here the list from the newest to the they're gonna show you from the beginning till now all the reels you have ever created. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.